Good morning. Today we're going to continue our work on college, and this will be the last project for that. When you go to collegeboard.org, you are going to search for a college again here at the bottom. For this project, you can use any public Indiana university. It can be any of the IU schools. That would be IUK, IU Bloomington. It could be IU at South Bend or anywhere in Indiana. If you choose Purdue, it could be Purdue at Fort Wayne, Purdue at West Lafayette, period. A public school is going to be identified on the first page as at a glance right under its picture. So right now I am going to put in Ball State University. And when I do that, you only have one option, so it's only available in Muncie. So when I click on Ball State University, that becomes an option. And it's coming in right now. And you will see that you again have all your side menus: at a glance, deadlines, majors and learning environment, campus life, applying, and paying. You are going to use all of these categories to answer the questions that I am sending you. You should be familiar with this by now if you've been doing the work. So, what I want you to see is the assignment that you're going to complete. So I would go here and, oops-a-daisy, I want to turn that off. I want to come back up here. So at this point, come on, at Ball State, when it says how many undergraduates at this campus, right here on this very first page, it says, come on, right here, there are 16,702 undergraduates. So you would come back to, you will have this attached to Google Classroom. Right here in the red where it says what Indiana University, right here, what Indiana University are you researching? I want you to change that to what you're looking at. It could be Purdue at Fort Wayne, it could be IUK, it could be IU at Bloomington, it could be Ball State at Muncie. Put the university in there that you want to research. Over here is your choice. It can be any college, private or public, especially out of state. So you want to kind of start looking at your options. So the questions are in this table over to the left. For instance, it says, how many undergraduates at this school? Well, up here, if I was doing this, I would change this title to Ball State. I would go back to Ball State and I would say how many undergraduates at this school? Page 2, and you would replace this right here with that answer. You are now comparing two colleges to see which one you would like better. I want you to become familiar with collegeboard.org because this is what you're going to use so you know what you have to do in high school to get into that college of your choice. Please check Google Classroom for the form you can fill out. In Google Classroom, I'm going to put the form in with the assignment so you can just open it and start putting your answers right in. Your answers on this assignment do not have to be complete sentences. You're going to put in just the answer that applies. Please give me an email that if you need help, and if you want to do a Zoom meeting, please include that in your email and I will get right back to you. Take care and have a good day.